Good morning and welcome back to another video here. We got a whole bunch of rain last night here in San Diego, and my ponds are pretty much overflowing. The one over there, the fish pond's got water coming out of it. There's the crawdad pond right here. All I'm gonna do, I just looked up the weather. It says it's gonna rain some more in about an hour, so I'm going to empty out these ponds a little bit because it's gonna rain some more. So let's get to it. All right, I think that one's good. Let's go check out the koi pond. This one's really full. The water's all the way up there on the frog right there. All right, this one's gonna take a little longer. I'm gonna hook up the pump to it and just pump out some water. That sucker works. Diesel, no. Go. You know, Diesel, my water dog. Anytime there's water being sprayed, he's all over it. Except for it rained and everything's wet and muddy. I don't want him getting all wet today because he's not looking forward to cleaning up all that mud out of the house. But this is working out pretty well. Put that pump in there like that. It's draining out some water. Gonna make at least this rock right here show. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel a lot better today. It's only been a couple days, so I feel a whole lot better. Thanks for watching our videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're always doing something. You never know what goes on. Thanks for watching. Like always, hope you guys are having a wonderful day.